When adding exterior insulation or cladding, paint planning must be coordinated so coatings, seams, and attachments perform with the new materials. Start the paint plan by confirming the full scope of insulation and cladding work and the sequence of installation with a contractor responsible for those trades. Select breathable coatings rated for the new substrate and verify compatibility with the insulation and any air or vapor control layers to avoid trapping moisture between layers. Schedule all finish coats after the insulation and cladding are fully installed and all flashings, attachments, and trim are complete, so fasteners and seams are not concealed under wet paint. For seams and penetrations, mechanically prepare surfaces, fill gaps with compatible flexible sealants, then apply a primer formulated for that joint type before finish coats to ensure adhesion and movement tolerance. Use pressure washing or light sanding to remove loose material and follow the moisture content limits in manufacturer instructions to prevent poor adhesion or blistering. Keep a record of product data sheets, batch numbers, and application dates so future maintenance can match the installed systems. A common mistake is painting before cladding and flashings are installed, which hides fasteners or traps water behind new insulation, so wait to apply finish coats until attachments are visible and sealed. Another issue is choosing non-breathable or incompatible paint that can cause condensation and rot. Solve this by requesting technical compatibility letters from coating and insulation manufacturers and using specified breathable coatings. A third frequent problem is inadequate joint preparation, where seams are left unprimed or unsealed, leading to peeling and drafts. Fix this by cleaning using compatible primers and flexible sealants, and following manufacturer details for movement and attachment. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for insulation and exterior painting projects, and we help contractors find work by listing opportunities and project leads. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share experience, product notes, and sequencing tips for coordinating insulation, cladding, and painting.